He's gonna try and go down the stairs.
Let's see if they even make it to the bush. I don't think they're gonna make it to the bush.
Oh my goodness.
Oh damn. I don't know if I'm going.
Oh, woo! It's freezing. Ah!
Look at Daddy.
Oh, snap, he really. I am not going.
Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. She's struggling.
Nah, you were struggling. Oh, snap, it's freezing.
Cause this is the front.
I'm sorry, I thought it was going to be higher.
The back
than
was
her.
worse. The back was worse.
Oh my goodness. Why are you people outside? I don't think you're going to open up the car door.
Oh,
Where's the sidewalk?
Right there.
Right
She's
there.
stepping on it.
Oh my goodness, it's freezing.
Mommy, be safe.
Oh my goodness. Woo! She got to the car.
To the car, but they can't She got to the car. She got to the car.
Daddy's just sitting here watching.
Smoking, too.
Woo! He got ready to go outside for no reason.
I'm going to my car.
Oh, the car over there.
Oh, dang, that's a mountain right there. There's a mountain. Wait, let me come and see. There's a mountain over there. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go.
Keep
There's
going.
a mountain. There's a mountain up there.
She got the door open.
But there's a mountain.
Oh my goodness,
Yeah,
Lord.
there's a mountain.
Oh
up
my
there.
goodness.
There's a mountain over there.
Yo, Daddy car is under the snow. It's under the snow. Ain't nobody outside. I don't hear nobody.
It's the same.
I see a door open though. People crazy. What the door open for?
It's the same mountain.
It's freezing. Did Daddy make it to the car? I don't think his car opening at all. His car is frozen. Look, say hi.
Hi.
Talk about the weather. You went outside. Well, how was it?
Yes, it was deep.
It was deep.
I couldn't even lift up my foot because it was sticking to
It
my
was so
nose.
funny. She got stuck outside. Oh my goodness. Look at my mother. She is like 2 feet tall. I'm surprised she got the door open. This is ridiculous. No school till Monday.
No school till next week.
No school till Monday.
Sandy Hook.
Oh, no
they
school
still
till
don't grab
Monday. Mommy's gonna try and come over here.
Yeah,
She is so little.
Dad, you made it?
I don't.
You made it, Dad?
I doubt that car opened.
Don't make no sense. Hey, you gonna walk down there
Walk down where?
to the gas station?
She don't. Why?
That was enough walking for me.
Mommy buggy, she gonna be flying with the snow if she go down there. It is crazy out there.
Yeah.
Huh?
This look like disaster.
Right?
She wants
Hands
to go.
up.
She wanna go? And why y'all gotta go to the gas station?
Hold up, fat girl.
To get some food.
Y'all going to get some gas?
No food.
Food! We got food!
No, like desserts and stuff. Because that's what they have. Dad, you
Look
already
it.
know. Give me some M&M's.
Yo, this is love right here.
Dad, give me some M&M's.
This is love.
Dad, give me some M&M's.
This is love. He actually going with her. She fucking. Yo, oh my god, this is love. Cause I know if it was me, I wouldn't be going nowhere like this. Bugging. Y'all should take a sled.
Hope you enjoy it.
Alright, y'all. So you know what happened, right? Oh my goodness. They're bugging. The craziest moment of them all. That's crazy. Alright. Bye.